Hey guys, so I did my braids and I cannot wait to share with you all how I did them. This is my second time ever even doing braids on myself. So this video is not going to really be a how-to. I'm just showing you guys what I did. And hopefully this video inspires you to do your own braids or try out, a style on yourself. Because like I said, this is my second time ever doing like the knotless braids on myself, braids in general, because I'm really not a braider type girl, but I love this style. I saw it on Instagram and I just had to do it. So I'm going to share some tips that kind of helped me out that I've learned by like just doing a little bit of research on how to do them. So yeah, so I'm going to start off with parting because that was really important to me. The time I did them before, the back of my head was looking crazy. So I wanted to like kind of focus a little bit more on the back of my head this time. So what I did though, I parted my hair in two big sections. So I took my hair from ear to ear. And so I had a front and a back section. Now the back section, I parted down the middle, and then I have about like 6 rows going, of course, like across my head, as you guys see. And I just worked, like you see me pull that section down, I just worked in sections like that, just creating little boxes that I'm braiding, of course. So just little braids. And I feel like that really helped me to be more even. Of course, it's not the best because like I said, this is my second time, but it really helped and it looked a lot better than it did last time. So that was super exciting. And I feel like the process went by faster. Now, the first time when I did this style, I didn't have my handsome son there standing in my face. So I didn't have him, so it didn't take me so long. But this time it took 5 days. I keep saying that because I could not believe how long it took me to do these braids. But anyway, it was worth it. I absolutely loved the style. And I just didn't want to go to anybody to get them done because I do not keep in styles that long. And I didn't want to pay all the money and then take the hair out. Like, I feel like if I pay for a hairstyle, I'm obligated to keep it in because I don't want to waste my money. Like, no. So anyways, I did that. And then for each braid, that kind of to help me kind of keep the braids the same size, I made sure to use the same size of braiding hair in each braid. So like I pulled apart sections that I wanted like my braid size to be from the one pack of braiding hair. I pulled apart sections, whatever. And then in each section, I know that I had 3 like pieces of hair that I was going to feed into my braid. And that kind of helped me also to keep the sizing of my braids kind of even, a little more even than I had them before. So again, this is definitely a learning experience for me, and I'm still trying to get better. So yeah, that's just something that kind of helped me kind of do this style this time a little bit better. So yes, so for this style, I actually used 4 packs of braiding hair, and I used 1 pack of the free tress curly hair. I'll leave exactly which brands I used down below and like which gel I used in the description box as well. But yeah, I used a lot of product, you guys. I did, because I'm just not that good at braids yet. I cannot do productless braids, like, no. So I had to use a lot of gel to make it look more precise. But like I said, I liked it. I don't care what nobody says. I liked the hairstyle. I thought it was super cute. And for me doing it, I thought I did a good job. I really liked it. So I hope this video like inspires you all to do your own braids or your own hair, whatever hairstyle you've been looking at that you want to get. Try it yourself first, and if it really just don't work out, go ahead and make that appointment. But anyways, I don't think I had any other like tips on this one. Oh. Now, I forgot to tell you guys. So, of course, you know how you dip your braids. So, with this style, I think it's like a gypsy style, gypsy braids. I'm not really sure. But anyway, with this style, some people use human hair, which I wish I would have used human hair. But I couldn't find any at the beauty supply store, and it was late when I went. I wasn't getting good help. I don't know, so I just got the hair that I got, but definitely try, if you can, try to get human hair, because I feel like it would be a lot easier when it comes to like being able to dip the hair in the water, because I'm not sure. Please let me know. Are you supposed to dip like this hair and the curly hair in water too? I seen a few girls that like tried to avoid that hair getting into the water when you dip your braids, but I just dipped my entire braid in there. I started off trying to avoid it because I seen somebody else do it, and then I was getting too anxious because I'm like, it took me 5 days. I'm at the finish line. Just dip the whole braid in there. I don't even care. So I did that. And then later on down the line, like a few days later, my hair was getting so tangly. Like, it still looked okay. It still looked okay, but it looked a little more distressed. But I feel like this style is okay like that because, you know, the styles when we're like relaxed, kind of, you know the vibe of these braids. So I wasn't too worried, but it was a lot to manage, especially with this length. But yeah, anyways, I feel like I've been rambling on with this video. I hope you all enjoyed though. I really enjoyed doing this hairstyle. It was kind of therapeutic, honestly, doing my braids too. But I was ready for my hair to be done. Like, I couldn't do anything because I had half a head of braids. But anyways, let me know what you guys think would help me to get better at braids. Please leave some tips down below. Let me know if you guys have tried doing your own braids, how that went. But thank you all so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Please be sure to subscribe. And yeah. Okay, bye-bye. It wasn't supposed to be this way. Where did we go wrong? We both made mistakes. Gotta carry yeah.